Journey and Ivy, Educational Kidtainment. Hi guys, Journey and Ivy wanted to show you how to assemble this constellation viewer that they received from Home Depot. The kit contained one disc, one front and back piece, one bottom and top, two for the sides, 15 nails, one screw, one washer, a constellation pin to go on your apron, an instruction and sticker sheet, and here's what it should look like when you're done. You'll also need a hammer, number 2 Phillips screwdriver, fine sandpaper, wood glue, paint, and paint brushes. Start by sanding each wood piece to remove any rough edges. Sand in the direction of the wood grain. Adult supervision is required. Next, slowly peel off the constellation sticker from the backing and carefully match the sticker to the disc as not to cover any holes. Now stand both top and bottom pieces up on long edges. Glue one side piece on top, make sure the outside edges are even, and nail them together with 4 nails. Then turn the project over and repeat on the other side. Stand the project up with the screw hole in the top piece facing up. Now add a little glue to the top edges. Pick up the back piece with 3 nail holes and 1 screw hole. Align the screw holes and place the back piece on top of the project. Make sure all the edges are even, then nail them down together with 3 nails. Turn the project over and glue the front piece on top. Make sure all edges are even again, then nail them together with 4 nails. Lastly, attach the washer and the constellation disc to your project. There are other stickers added in the kit, so you can use them as you like, but here are our final projects.
Don't let this stick in me. Don't let them stick in me. Okay, it's on.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.